Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change map on Subway servers, and if it is possible to change Subway service location, or Subway service map. It only happens every month. Subway service change scenery. This scenery is called the World Tour. Every month they travel to a new destination or go back to an existing one. So the only way to change the map is by waiting each month, so you can every month, so you can Subway service change the map from themselves. Other than that, unfortunately, you can't do that, and it stays only in one map. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.